It's a 2017 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, smartphone wireless charging, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Take it for a test drive today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.